Hi friends, Anuradha this side. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the logs in SuiteCRM. By default where we can check the logs from the admin panel of SuiteCRM, where it is saved and what is the extension of log files. Today we will try to cover all these topics into this tutorial. So friends, let's jump to our SuiteCRM screen. Here you can see this is the admin panel of SuiteCRM. We have discussed many times and in earlier video also. Under admin panel you can see a system. Under system you can see a system setting menu over here. When you will click over system setting, new window appear to you, this type of window, which you can see a separate settings like how many items you want to see in the list view and sub panel of per page, and how you can change the logo and number of other settings that we have discussed in the other tutorials. Today just we are going to discuss about the logs. Okay, so this is the log section, logger setting. This is the default name given by a SuiteCRM. Default file name is SuiteCRM. Default extension is .log of SuiteCRM, given by SuiteCRM basically. Append after file name if you want to append month, year, day, month, day, year. After your file name you can do from here. Maximum log size, default given by SuiteCRM is 10 MB. Default date format is %C. These all are the settings you can change at your level. Whatever setting you want you can change from here. This is the main thing that that is very important into the SuiteCRM, that dashboard for logs. Log level, debug, info, warn, deprecated, error, fatal, security, off, and these all are the settings that you can change according to you. So by default log level is selected by fatal, and I have also choose the fatal because always we are going to check the fatals error of SuiteCRM, what is happening, why these errors are coming. So these fatal I have selected over here. Maximum number of logs before rolling, so you can change the maximum number of logs to 100 to 20 to 10, whatever you want you can change over here. And here you can click over the view logs. Here when you will click over the log, here you can see this type of window appear to you, and you have to click over all. Now you can see all the fatal errors that you faced while installing and after installation. Each and every fatal error is coming over here, listed over here. Here this error you can see September 21 and May 23, Saturday 2020, 2019. So these all logs fetched over here. So this would be the best way to check the errors and warnings and other things. Debug, you can easily debug your SuiteCRM from the SuiteCRM admin panel. And other thing, we can find the fatal errors and other things into the SuiteCRM directory folder. Also there's a SuiteCRM.log file where all these warnings and other things, fatals and debugging is saved into SuiteCRM.log file. So I hope you can understand there we have two ways for the logs in SuiteCRM. So this is your wish. You can pick this way and you can go to your file, SuiteCRM.log file also. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe it. Thanks once again.